Okay.
Good morning, everybody. In today's class, we are going to see about the testing of hypothesis and the type 1 error and type 2 error. First, we have to know what is hypothesis. Hypothesis is nothing but a tentative solution to a problem. So, if we frame a problem and if we frame a hypothesis, then it should reflect the tentative solution of the problem. So, the hypothesis we frame is called research hypothesis, and it cannot be tested directly. So, we have to convert it in the form of null hypothesis. Next. If the obtained hypothesis, the calculated value is more than the table value, then the particular level of significance, we reject the null hypothesis and we have to accept the research hypothesis. And if the obtained value is less than the chance value, then we have to retain the null hypothesis and we have to reject the research hypothesis. So you have to know what is the significance level. So the significant level is nothing but the probability of our being correct. That is, if we select 1% level of significance, that means we have to think that 99% of our research decision is correct and 1% may be the wrong. Next we'll see what is the type 1 error and type 2 error. So here, if the hypothesis is true and we reject the true hypothesis, then it is called type 1 error. And if the hypothesis is false and if we accept the null hypothesis, then this is type 2 error. That's all. If you want to reduce the type 1 error, we have to increase the number of samples. Then you can reduce the null hypothesis, and lower the level of significance, greater the type 1 error, the possibility of type 1 error, and a very high level of significance means that leads to a wrong hypothesis. So, in order to avoid both the type of errors, it is advisable to have a large number of samples. Then we can reduce the errors in the sample. And thank you. That's all.